This is a quick update to my Scuba S1 review from Aiper. My battery has just failed, and I just want to walk you through exactly what happened. So I've owned this Aiper Scuba S1 since February 2025, and I use it pretty much once a week. It had been doing a great job in the pool. It would get up and down the walls. It would completely clean the bottom of the pool, picking up all my debris from the bottoms. However, right before Thanksgiving, I went to charge the Scuba S1, and as I plugged in the cord, as I always do, it beeped and the red light illuminated and then promptly turned off, and then it stayed black for a couple seconds, and then there was a small like white flash of light, and it then went blank again or black again, and it would not charge. So of course I went through and looked at the user's manual, and I did some basic troubleshooting. I made sure that the charger had the green light illuminated, meaning that there's power coming through the charger. That wasn't a problem. I checked the contact points of both the charger and the Scuba S1. Those were clear and clean, so that was not a problem. And then of course I tried charging it. I just left it plugged in overnight and unplugged it and rechecked it the next morning, and still no dice. So what I did next was I emailed the customer support email at Aiper and explained what the problem was. And after they asked me to try a couple more things, which was basically the things I had already tried, they then sent me a FedEx prepaid printout label to box it up and send it in for repair. So the bottom line is the Scuba S1 has worked well. I've enjoyed using it. Picks up all the debris at the bottom of my pool, and then it does clean the sides when it's working. And long-term use and battery life is super important for this type of product. I will keep you updated in the comments below as far as how Aiper responds, and if I get a new product or at least a new battery installed under warranty, that would be helpful. If you've got an Aiper product and your battery has failed, please share that. Put that down in the comments so other people can understand what they're getting into with this product. And I hope you found this useful and informative. Appreciate you watching.